Diseases of wheat. Blast. Pericularia oryzae pathotype triticum. Wheat blast or brosone is caused by Pericularia oryzae pathotype triticum. It is a recent disease of wheat originated in 1985 in Brazil and later reported from other countries like Bolivia, Uruguay, Paraguay and Argentina in South America. During early 2016, this disease had been reported to occur in Bangladesh, South Asia, in districts close to West Bengal borders of India. Wheat blast is not yet reported in India. The disease is categorized into most damaging diseases of wheat due to its multiple modes of survival: seed, secondary hosts, crop, residue and airborne conidia, fast spread and damage to spikes, thus causing losses ranging from 10 to 100%, development of resistance to fungicides, higher rate of mutation and lack of resistance in common wheat varieties. Symptoms. The infected field has dry and bleached spikes while the leaves may be still green. The symptoms appear on seed, leaf, peduncle, and spike. On leaves, initial symptoms may be gray-green and water-soaked lesions with dark green borders which become light tan with necrotic borders once they have completely expanded, with typical eye-shaped necrotic lesions with gray centers. In the field, the symptoms on leaves may, however, be difficult to identify due to mixed infection of spot blotch. The symptoms on spikes are most prominent and easily visible. The pathogen infects the rachis and develops dark brown discoloration at the point of infection with or without dark brown mycelial growth. The spikes may be completely or partially bleached. The spike portion above the infection point may dry quickly, thus leaving the spikelets blank if the infection takes place before grain filling stage. In case of late infection on spike, few lightweight and thin grains with black discoloration are produced. The upper portion from point of infection is always dried out and mostly remains sterile. Favorable climate. The disease may become an epidemic and devastate wheat crop within a week under most conducive temperature range of 8-30 degrees Celsius and at greater than 80% relative humidity during year emergence or grain filling. The wet years, warm temperatures and high humidity were found associated with wheat blast epidemics. The rains for several days and average temperatures ranging from 18-25 degrees Celsius during flowering, followed by sunny, hot, humid days is favorable for the epidemic of the wheat blast. Since the disease is of relatively recent in origin, therefore, more precise information is needed on favorable conditions for its development and spread. Disease cycle. Wheat blast appears to follow the same disease cycle as the well-studied rice blast. Management. Use certified and a clean seed as the fungus is seed-borne. Even healthy looking seeds from infected crop may have inoculum of pathogen. Use seed treatment with fungicides. Replace susceptible varieties with resistant varieties. Adjust time of sowing so that heading occurs during dry weather. Regularly remove and destroy weeds, particularly grasses such as Eleusine indica, Leartia, Echinocloa, Brachiaria, Digitaria, Lolium, Centris and Chloris in and around the wheat field. The grassy weeds act as secondary hosts and spread the disease in wheat. Deep plow or burn crop residues as the fungus. Monitor the crop regularly for presence of symptoms of wheat blast on leaves and spike. Use foliar sprays of fungicides before rain or dew at flowering stage.